This is the brand new Galaxy Z Fold4, and today I'll be showing you guys the fastest way to transfer all of your data to the Fold 4, regardless of whether you're transferring from a Samsung device, a non-Samsung Android device, or even an iPhone. I'll even show you how to transfer your data from a USB stick if you won't have your old device with you by the time the new one arrives. First, let's start with a quick unboxing and a physical comparison to last year's Fold 3. Opening the box, the first thing you see is the Fold 4, and if you flip this box over, there's a little container here, and if you open this, you get a USB-C to USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and a quick start guide. Now this is the unlocked version of the phone, so I'm not gonna have anything else in this box, but if you've got a carrier version, you may have some carrier documentation as well. For now, let's just set this to the side. There's a pull tab here to help take the phone out, and beneath the phone, there is nothing else. So let's move all this to the side and take a closer look at the phone. In the upper right corner, you'll see a little SIM card icon, and if you look a little closer, you'll see that that's where your SIM card goes in. And in case you're wondering, there's no micro SD card option for the Fold 4. Flipping over to the inside of the device, you'll see a little arrow right here. Just pull here, and you'll be able to take this screen protector off. So flipping it back over to the back, first impressions is I do still love this phantom black color. It is very fingerprint resistant, and it's the color I've been getting on all of my devices. Before we get to the setup process, I do want to quickly show you guys the size difference between the Fold 3 and the Fold 4. As you can see, the screen on the Fold 4 is a little bit shorter than the screen on the Fold 3. And if I switch them to a stacked position, you can see that the screen on the Fold 4 is a little bit wider than the screen on the Fold 3. Switching over to the cover screens, you can see that the Fold 4 screen extends further to the left, and the hinge is